So now that we're done with our experiment, what should we do with all of our data?
You know, it might be nice to put it in a form that is easy to understand for everybody, not just people who are scientists who know what we've been doing, but everybody.
That's a really good idea. So we need to analyze our data and maybe make some graphs, but I don't really know how to do that. Do we?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Hey, Kit, you've done experiments before and you've like made graphs of your data.
Sure.
Yeah. Could you help us? We just did an experiment. Could you help us make some graphs?
Sure, I've got some graphing software that would be perfect for this.
Great.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Give us a look.
Let's go this way. All right, so using this graphing software, we're going to be able to take your raw data and present it in a bar graph form so it will be easier for people to understand what you guys are talking about. And I think maybe a good way to do it would be to take our sample location and plot that on the x-axis and then plot your pH on the y-axis, because that's going to vary from date to date.
Right, because pH is one of our variables, so it's going to change depending on when we sample it and where we sample.
And as you can see, it changes here between locations. At this point, it's really high, and then at this point, it's really low.
Oh yeah, it's true. And looks like at the same location on different days, it also changes.
Excellent. Is this going to be helpful?
Oh, this is wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Huh.
We are again. Yeah. It's really nice out here today.
Yeah, it's good to be out hiking again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, we haven't been out hiking since we started our experiment.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we learned a lot, didn't we?
Sure did.
We did. We learned how to dig snow pits.
Yeah, and we learned how to measure pollution in the water and in the snow.
We also learned that there's a large difference in distance from the city as far as pollution and how it's deposited in the snow and water.
Yeah, so there's more pollution closer to the city. So we answered our question, but you know, it brought up a lot of new questions. Like now I wonder, how does that pollution impact the animals and plants up in the mountains?
Yeah, and I wonder how far that pollution travels from the city.
Yeah. I wonder why I'm wearing Jimmy's hat. Science.